Hello guys, today we are gonna be playing Vacation Story. We have a special guest, Cthulhu. His channel name is Vecon underscore YT. I got up here. So we are gonna be playing this game and we are gonna die, probably. But we don't know that yet. We don't know that yet. I believe my video will get 30 views. I bet my video will get 30 views. 47? No, guys. Prove me right. Actually, don't prove me right. Please, I need views. Oh, yeah. Guys, by the way, I am family friendly. I hope that this guy right there doesn't cuss. Because if he does, I'm gonna have to stop being family friendly. But I believe I'm gonna be family friendly because this guy can control himself, I think. I hope. But he can. Okay, you won't swear? That's good. I don't wanna go in economy. Economy. I wanna go in first class, not economy. 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10.
Mine's page 13.
Oh my god.
This plane is actually so big.
Yeah. I wanna be first class. Hey. What about my luggage? Where's my luggage? I need to find my luggage. What? I don't want to pay money for first class. Oh, no, please. I'm far away from my seat. Please. Bro, tells us to feel free to explore and then get back to your seats right now or else you die.
Yo, should I jump?
No, you're gonna die. Bro, no, stop. It's flying, not it didn't land. Sit back down. Okay. Oh, a snack. I want a snack. Hello, crew member. Wait, why is the sandwich so realistic?
Ew.
It's pretty realistic. I know it's bad to eat it. I know about the island. I know about the apples in the island, but I didn't eat the sandwich. Okay, I guess I'll eat it now. Delicious. Nah, guys, I'm gonna hide. No. I'm gonna hide away. Bye. Bye. Close this goddamn thingy. Yeah. Okay, Bro, that bacon isn't even trying to help me find an EpiPen. I'm gonna die. Oh, thank you. I didn't even know where to look. Yeah. By the way, remember to be family friendly, please. Yes, but you might swear. Oh yes, very. Wait, where are we? Is he going to sleep too? Bro, where are we flying that it takes all day and night? Is the captain gonna go to sleep or? Oh no! Oh no! Someone open the windows. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna get sucked out. Bye bye. You know what? I'm also gonna tell. I have your same emotes, but I'm gonna sit.
Yo, did you?
No way.
Yeah.
You're lying.
Created that don't have Roblox, but
You're kidding.
I saw.
Well, it might be fake. I hope it's fake because I don't want to have only 2D clothing and I do not want to have no accessories, bro. I'm gonna look so ugly with no accessories. I told you we were gonna die. Yeah. Well, guys, I guess we're ending this at a short form. Bye. I mean, yeah, bye.